Hello there, it's Jean from Inky Owl Studio. Today I'm going to be doing a journal share on a envelope folio that I just completed, and so we'll start. Has sort of a purse-like or a latch-like closing flap, and on the front we have some lace trim and a couple of jingle bells. Now these bells are removable, a little ball pin, and but they really work. They sound really cute. So this is the front, and here is the back, and in the back is a pocket, and with some tags. You can either fold this up and journal with it, cut them apart, and a large journaling tag here. I've got several. I got about 4 of these in the journal, and they're great for like mounting a photograph or something on that side, or for just journaling. And I'm using the DigiKit Tasty Christmas from my Porch Prints, the digital kit. So it opens up, and the first flip flips open like this, and we have a stack of a couple of envelopes, and each envelope has some journaling cards inside. Really thought this was a cute little journal to keep recipes in if you want to, or Christmas memories, whatever. Little pocket on that side, and another envelope with another journaling card inside here. Alright, and in the middle is a large tag with a glassine bag that flips open with a journaling card inside here, a little bird, a little joy to the world, and a little decoration on the back, place for journaling, fits inside this pocket, and it closes with a little button and twine. So you can put more, there's much more room in here in those pockets if you want to put more memorabilia in there. And then this one is a waterfall tag with journaling space. Put photographs in here or journal, whichever you would like. Collect recipes inside there. And it closes with a button and string. And inside this pocket is a very large journaling card. Like I say, great for putting photographs on. And behind the waterfall tag is another large journaling card as well. So that's the first flip open. And the next flip has inside here, little jingle bells there, has inside here a notepad that's refillable with plenty of paper inside. Keep a list of things, or you can take this out and use it somewhere else. And stuffed inside here is the journal with a little elastic band so that you can refill this again if you would like to. And inside is a combination of tea stain paper, vintage paper, digital paper, some cookie recipes there. And I think there's 48 pages front and back inside. So that's a removable little journal, and it has a cloth on the spine, so it will last you a while. And over here is a pocket filled with all kinds of journaling cards. Really cute and homey looking. And so it's 3 levels actually, 3 levels of pockets here. You may not be able to see that. You should probably take them out. So you can see there's 3 pockets here. And inside this is one more large journaling card. So that is the little Christmas envelope folio. Thank you so much for viewing. This will be available in my shop. And we will see you next time. I am going to start another journal soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.